Day 25, Just Debit and Make It Work, a series of 100 videos, to catch up the progress of making the application from the scratch for both Android and iOS. And now we are here in the day 25 of our journey. Yesterday I already giving you guys a demo of the iOS application so far for Watch for Lunch. I already share a lot of things, but now I need to take a little break from giving the demo because things need to be cooked, and I don't have that much of time in the day to working on programming for the side project What for Lunch. That's why I gotta say, even with AI, the progress is not that fast. Maybe I should spend more time to think about this a little bit more, because as we want to start something in this world nowadays, you gotta be work harder and faster than in the past. It's the time to the market problem. Everyone want to be fast, everyone want to start something with AI, so it's very competed market. Okay, just a little bit update on my day. It's pretty much relaxing and very productive. I've been doing a lot of things. Take my kid to the kindergarten, take a nap, go to the gym, continue to work in the company. Tomorrow I have a demo in my company, so I gotta do it well. And yes, of course, spend some time to work on the side project that I mentioned. Because today I won't have any demo, but I will share this thing, which is also very interesting. Today I observed my social network. There's a lot of expert in teaching AI and how to work with things like Claude. They're selling course and stuff. The ticket for one course is kind of expensive, especially compared to the income of Vietnamese people. But I would say that you guys gotta check super carefully their background. A lot of guys that I saw, they selling course, and their background is marketing and sales. No offense, they can be good at Claude, but I have a quick look into their course and some demo video that they give for free. I gotta say that it's just like they grab a course from other country, translated to Vietnamese, and trying to sales that course for people who are interested in AI. So maybe you won't get much benefit, much knowledge of using AI compared to the price that you have to pay for the course itself. So today I'll share you my way of work with AI. It's very simple. I start by using AI to learn AI. So I start to asking Gemini what is Claude, what is this using for, I'm a newbie, where should I start? And then Gemini will give you a detailed answer, detailed plan. And if you are even expect higher, you can ask Gemini to planning a detailed plan with timeline, like learning Claude in 2 weeks. Then Gemini will break down for you every single day. What should I learn? What should you learn? Etc. etc. So don't start with something that completely new for you. Start with a task that you face every day and repeat it every day. For example, as a programmer, my job daily is writing code, right? And for that, Claude is one of the best options in the market so far. It's dedicated and is focusing into the programming world, support the developer to write things faster beside all the tasks. But I value Claude with their strength in development things, writing code, deploy, etc. etc. So yeah, that's the draft idea. I wrap up a plan. I use AI to learn AI. That's the first thing. Second thing, I would recommend you guys to visit their site. Alright, so here's what I mentioned. First of all, use Claude to use AI to learn AI, blend it, and then you can also, if you're using Claude or any kind of AI provider out there, you should visit their official website. Here, if I go to call.com, you can easily see, okay, the big button right here is read the documentation. Here is the full documentation, including how you start, building things, administration, configuration, reference, agent, what news, and resources. You should read through everything at least once to understand how you want to structure and what is the best way that you're gonna work with Claude. And there's one thing that I like from code.claude.com is that you can use the search bar right here. Like, I use the search bar to enter some query to ask an assistant, and surprisingly the assistant answer is pretty much well. Like, I can ask the folder structure in .claude folder that we usually see when using Claude in our code base, and also the next question is how can I structure the folder in .claude folder for skill, command, etc. etc. And then you get the direct answer here, right? You should have the .claude folder as the root, and then you should have setting or local setting JSON, the setting that plays in your machine only and not pushing to anywhere like GitHub or something for privacy reason. You can use claude.md file to giving the instruction for AI to what to do, what should to follow, etc. etc. You can write some skill, you can have agent, you can write commands, etc. etc. And by the way, if you quickly search on, for example, Gemini, it depends, but I can also enter the Gemini what is the best repository on GitHub to work with something and Claude, and then Gemini will give you the best answer that it can find. Some repository that you can read through, how they structure their folder, what they write, and you can even copy the entire thing that they wrote, or you can simply reading through things, trying to understand, and write your own things, write your own skill, write your own agent, write your own commands to be used for your specific code base. Okay, so to wrap up, there's two things that I would recommend you guys when approaching AI before you buying any course online. First one, use AI to learn AI. Ask Gemini to have a plan to learn Claude, for example. And the second thing is trying to read on the documentation. So at least if you do those two, you will come up with a lot of questions that you cannot find the answer yet, but later on with those questions you can easier to find someone who knows the answer than just buy a random course online that costs a lot of money, but the value is not that much, to be honest. All right, thank you for watching. I hope you guys taking care out there, and see you in the 26 days of 100 days making the application from scratch. Take care out there, moving forward and getting closer to your goal every single day. See ya, bye bye.